In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp. This is a simple but important action that helps keep your projects accurate, your team updated, and your workspace organized. When you mark a task as complete, you're showing that the work has been finished, which makes it easier to track progress and focus on what still needs attention. To get started, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Once you're inside, make sure you're in the correct workspace area where your tasks are managed. If you work across multiple spaces or projects, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, open the list that contains the task you want to update. In ClickUp, tasks are often organized inside lists, so this step helps narrow things down and ensures you're working in the correct section. Take a moment to select the right list, especially if several lists have similar names. Once the list is open, find the task you want to complete. You can scroll through the tasks until you see it, or use any available sorting or filtering options if needed. The goal here is simply to locate the correct task before changing its status. After you found the task, click on the task's current status. This is usually displayed directly on the task, and selecting it will open the status menu. The status menu is where ClickUp lets you update the stage of the task, whether it's still in progress, under review, or ready to be closed. From that menu, choose Complete, or select your workspace's closed status if your team uses a custom status instead. Different ClickUp workspaces may label the final step differently, so if you don't see the exact word complete, look for the status your team uses to indicate finished work. Finally, confirm that the task now shows a completed status or a check mark. This visual confirmation lets you know the change was successful. It's a quick but helpful final check, especially in busy workflows where accuracy matters. And that's it. Once the task shows as completed, your update is done, and the task will reflect its finished state in your list and reporting views. Thanks for watching.